This huge swarm of bees attached to this oak tree out here in my yard. They're buzzing. There's a lot. I mean, a lot of bees hanging from up there. And lots of swarming. Oh, they're starting to buzz me now. Stay calm.